Good morning, everyone. It's Lana checking in. Day 4. Day 3 of Insanity, but day 4 of the whole program, Count and Fit Test. Today was cardio recovery. Yes, I'm still breathing hard. Go figure that. But it was a delightful workout compared to the last crazy sets. I gotta tell you, I have a lot of injuries. My hamstring's torn, still recovering from that. And I have a problem with my foot. I rolled my ankle, and it's still, I think I strained a tendon or something. But it was really nice today, getting a lot of slow stretching in, really heating up the muscles, really heating up the joints. I could totally tell that my flexibility is already changing just from the one workout. So I'm really glad that Shaun T worked these flexibility sections into the program. So my favorite exercise today, because I've never done it this way before, was an oblique type of movement, but instead of being in a plank position and pulling it in, you're kind of in a quadruped with your knees hovering. And it's pretty challenging. It works your upper body as well as your lower body. So this is kind of nice. As you come into the quadruped, neutral spine, abs in tight, and you hover the knees, and then you lift the leg out and bring the knee in from the outside, push it out. Bring the knee in from the outside and push it out. So you really got to work a lot of stuff just to be hanging out in that position. And now you're trying to pull your leg in from an oblique. Crazy, but fun. So remember, keep pushing play every day. Doesn't matter if you're doing Insanity or not, but try to keep working out for the next 60 days through the holidays. It'll start your new year right. Talk to you later. Coach Lana is out.